How to create reflection in Canva. Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to create reflection in Canva. So the first step in here is go to your Canva. So as you can see, I already have my canvas. So here I'm going to find a subject for our prompt for today. So I'm just gonna go look an image of a car. So this is the car, this is the image of a car I'm going to use. So if your image has a still background, you can just go to the edit photo and click the background remover. But in my case, since it's already just a car, I'm just gonna go proceed to adjusting its image. So as you can see here, I already duplicated the image. So here, after duplicating the image, I'm just going to click on the flip and then click flip vertical. After that, I'm going to put it below the first car and have it mirrored by the subject. And after aligning your two cars, the duplicated cars, you are going to uh, go to the transparency and make it 40, set it to 40 so that it will have this it's more, the below car image is more faded than the main car, so that we would create its reflection. And then we proceed to go to the elements and look for a blur dot. So here we're just going to attach it under the uh the faded car so that it would create this blurry effect or reflection effect for the car. So as you can see, this is how it would look like when creating your reflection on a certain image in Canva. So this is one way to make your create your reflection. But there are also other ways, which is this one. I'm going to show it to you, the second way of how to make a reflection. So here I duplicated it again, and then I'm gonna look for a certain filter, and then I'm gonna go to the transparency and set it to 50. So there I chose a specific filter. I chose a filter that is in black and white so that it would, since it fits the image of my car. So that's another way how to create a reflection in Canva. So it's either of your two options. So this is another way of creating your reflection of your subject or image in Canva. So that's about it, guys. That's how you would create a reflection in an image by using Canva. I hope you learned a lot in this video, and thank you for watching.